So I would start like this. This is the combo. I would start in together time, come around, turn it to split time at some point. Let's do split time circles in overhand facing right. And then giant. And then back to split time circles. Then same time circles. Then stall back. Stall front. Overhand. Okay, now we're going to take the poi and bring them down. Shift the plane, come into the clockwise corkscrew. Together time. Start turning to the right with it. Yeah. Go you, go you. And then split the time. And then come back to together time, and then face the front in together time. Come down and tap your right hip. We're going to come up and change direction, come up to the left, come down in together time corkscrew while you're turning to the left. So you've tapped on the right, come up to the left, turn to the left. Split the time if you want. Go back to together time, face the front, then you'll come down and tap on the left hip, turn to your right, and go into the giant. And we're back where we started. Facing the right, then we'll make it small, and then together time, stall back, stall front, and now we're going to plane shift it into the corkscrew, coming up in clockwise, turning to the right, turn with it, make it split time, come around a second time, go back to together time, and then come around to the front in together time, tapping on your right hip. Just the tip. Change direction, come up counterclockwise, up and down, counterclockwise. You got it, yes. And then turn with it, and you can do both together time and split time, and in together time. Face the front, tap on the hip, just the tip, turn to your right, back to giant, and you're back where you started. Now make it small. Make it small. Let's do it one more time. And make it same time. Stall back. Stall front. Overhand. Come into the plane shift into the clockwise corkscrew together time. Turn to the right. Split the time. Together time. And by the time you come around the second time, make sure you're in together time so that you can tap, turn up to the left in together time. Going into the counterclockwise corkscrew. Yes, turn it left. Yes. And you turn your body to the left with it. Then make it together time when you come around to the front. We're going to tap just the tip on the left side, turn to the right, come into the overhand giant. Make it small. Together time. Stall back and stop. Ooh, and the crowd goes wild.